Have you ever wished your crush couldn't stop thinking about you? It's feasible, according to science. There are tried and true psychological tricks that can turn someone into your fan without them even recognizing it. Stay tuned because after seeing this video, you'll know the best mind techniques to get your crush to think about you constantly. Step 1. The Zeigarnik effect. Leave conversations unfinished. It's a fact that most people are unaware of. We tend to remember someone more for their feelings than their words. So, if you want your crush to think about you continually, make sure you're around throughout their happiest moments. They'll automatically equate you with happiness, excitement, and adventure if they think of you in those ways. Thus, rather than engaging in idle conversation, invite them to a pleasant activity the following time. Step 2. Mirror their actions, build a subconscious bond. Now let's discuss mirroring. According to research, people feel closer to you when they unconsciously imitate your tone, energy, or gestures. Moreover, you know what? You can reverse the trick and use it to your romantic interest. Copying their body language in a subtle way is the key. Lean in if they do. Use some of the words they frequently use in your own speech. They feel that you two are on the same page, which creates an immediate bond. Step 3. The power of emotional triggers. Associate yourself with happiness. The majority of people are unaware that we remember people more for the feelings they evoke in us than for the words they use. So, if you want your crush to think about you continually, make sure you're around throughout their happiest moments. If you are associated with happiness, excitement, and adventure, their brain will instantly associate you with those great emotions. Instead of only engaging in casual talk, invite them to an enjoyable activity the next time. Step 4. The scarcity principle. Less is more. This is a strong but little-known tip. If you're too available, your crush may start to take advantage of you. The value of unusual or difficult-to-get items is ingrained in the human brain. Take your time instead of responding to their texts right away. Instead of always accepting plans, try being a little erratic. This creates a sense of mystery and allure, making them want to be with you. Step 5. The mystery factor. Keep them intrigued. Try this. Let them inquire about you rather than giving too much information. Believe me, they will be clamoring to learn more if you keep some aspects of your personality and life a little surprising. One of the most potent psychological motivations is curiosity. When someone is unsure about you, they keep thinking about you and trying to fill in the gaps. Therefore, keep some facts to yourself rather than disclosing everything at once. When they inquire about your weekend, simply respond, "Oh, it was interesting. I'll tell you about it sometime," rather than going into great detail. They are captivated and eager for more because of that little tease. And keep in mind that mystery is about revealing yourself in stages, like a wonderful novel, rather than being cold or aloof. People enjoy learning secrets. Thus, give your crush the impression that they are gradually revealing a new aspect of you. They remain fixated on it. Hold back a bit the next time you're speaking or texting. Make them try to learn about you, and I promise you that they will continue to think about you long after the conversation is over. It is now your turn. First, which hack will you attempt? Post a comment below. For more mind-blowing psychological tactics, remember to like, share, and subscribe. My channel, PsycheBites 708, if you thought these were amazing. Until the next one.